Hello, my name is Brandy Bernardi, and this is a walkthrough of my prototypes. This first one is the prototype for my app. The app I designed is called Bike Buddy, and it is an app and website that encourage families to get active and spend quality time together by bike riding. So this is the home screen of my app. Here we have a hamburger menu that you can click. But you want to start by either signing in or signing up. We can start by hitting the sign up button. That takes you to the sign up page where you fill out all your information and then hit the sign up button. But if we wanted to do the sign in instead, we'd click that and it brings us to a sign in page. Again, you'd enter your username and password, or you can choose to connect with Facebook or connect with Google and then click the sign in button. So from the home screen, we can click the hamburger menu after you get signed in. We have a back button that'll take you back, or to go to the menu here, we have family profiles, which you can click on. It'll bring you to this page where you have profiles for each member of the family. We can click on the one for mom. Brings us to this page. This is just a page to track progress. So there'll be cards down here with the date and the miles that you biked that day and where you biked that day. So that would be for each family member's profile. Then we also have a current trip where you can see a map of your current location, the current path that you're about to bike on. It tells you the name up here, or you can search for a different one. And it shows you the outline, and then you can hit start navigation and it'll walk you through it as you bike along the path. Then there's a back button here that'll take you back to the menu page. The next feature is the Find Bike Paths feature. We have a search bar up here. Then it just shows you a map view of the locations near you for biking, or you can click this hamburger menu down here and it'll show you the list view instead of the map view. So this one lists out each one of those little circles on the map page is now listed here. So again, these back buttons work. You can hit back to go back to this, back again to go to the menu. And the final feature of my app is the chat with friends feature. We have the search bar up here if you want to search for certain messages, and then down below we have a list of all the messages. Again, you can do that. Takes you back to the home screen, and that is all for the app. And now we will walk through the website for the Bike Buddies. Here is the homepage of the website. We have the title here, Bike Buddy, with the description of the website, and then a little blurb here that says bike riding as a family strengthens family bonds, encourages exercise, and creates new memories, just to spice up the site a little bit. Then we have the login box here where you can type in your username and password to log in, or again, you can use Facebook or Google to log in. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up down here with your email. It'll take you to a different page. This is the header of the website, and this header will be on every single page of the website. So this will always be up there to keep it consistent. So after you get signed in, you can go to helpful tips, and this is a little description. It would be a description of different tips and how you can use them, and then down below will be each individual tip. As you could put more on there and make it scrollable, but for now I just have 3 on here. So there's just 3 different tips that you can read to help make the trips more enjoyable or get the kids more involved. The next thing you can do is go to the blog button up here, and this is the blog page of the website. Right away you can see a button for create a new post where you can write about your experiences biking that day, and then it'll be added to the list here. This is a scrollable list, and in theory each one of these would be a different blog post. You could have a category, the date, like the title, and a short description, and then for each one of these I added edit post buttons to where if you want to go back and change something on a post, you can do that. Next, we have the upload or view photos button. This is where you can upload photos that you took during your biking trip, or just view past photos that you've uploaded. Over here we have the upload photo button with the plus sign to make it easy to find. You'd click that, upload your photos, and then they would end up over here in the gallery. Here's just a few example photos I have up here. And this is just a great place to store all your photos. And then finally, this button here is the Get the App button. When you click on that, it'll bring you to this page. It just tells you to download the app now. It gives you a short description of what's on the app. We have a couple buttons to take you to the Play Store. And then this is just a little preview of the app homepage. And for each one of these pages, you can use this back button up here. It works on all of them. It'll take you to the previous page that you were on. So if you were on helpful tips page, you could hit this and go back to the home page. And that covers my website. Thank you for watching.